Hey, welcome back. Sorry about the delay. It's just been a busier than average week. So today we're going to set the mechanical timing and install the timing kit. Let's get started on that. Alright, I think I need more light in the garage. This is a quick fix solvable problem, so let's do it. Lights. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. Then we'll pull the engine out and get busy with setting the timing. Alright, so I got my timing set all laid out. Got a cam degree wheel, got my bolts, got my new runners, got my new tensioner, chain, sprocket. Let's put it on the engine and see if we can get this thing timed. Okay, here we have the tensioner and its oil passage. The first two bolts. I'm only putting these bolts in hand tight and then just giving them a little torque. They're only 4 to 7 pounds of torque for all of them, and I don't think I hit that. And then we have the tensioner side guide, and again hand tight, and then the slack side guide, and of course hand tight. Now we have the timing gear for the crank, and it has a little dot on it to line the shiny link up. That dot. Focus. There we go. And the timing chain will go, the shiny link will go there, and it'll go on the cam gear as well on your timing mark, your 1, 2, or 3. Part of the kit, it came with a brand new chain, and we're going to use that one because it hasn't been stretched out. There, I have that link on that dot, and I don't want it to fall. Okay, so I have that. Then one, I have the shiny link, they're still set. Should we do that? Okay. Did I just record this entire thing out of focus? Ta-da! Okay, I'm not happy with this gauge. It was a cheap gauge, and I'm getting all the usefulness out of it that you would get from a cheap gauge. It would start at one point, I'd get it zeroed, do a turn on the crank, and have it do a valve lift, and it would come back, and then it would land at some place completely different. See? There. It was at 0 when I started. Now it's at 50. It also made degreeing the camshaft a pain, because the degree wheel that I was trying would start at one point, and I'd mark where the valve lifted and go to check it, and it would be at a completely different point, though nothing had moved. Yeah, so I'm going to try again with some better tools very soon. And I still need to do the wipe pattern, but initial checks of the wipe pattern on the rockers look good. It looked like it was at the very end, and it should be giving me more lift than this gauge was showing. And there we go. I have the timing kit installed. I managed to install a new light. I got to work on camera placement now. And what else we got? The next time I will use a better timing gauge and actually get the cam degreed properly. I have the timing gauge now. I just got to start filming it. And then the rocker white pattern, that'll be there too. So, thank you, and until next time. Safety glasses. So I don't use it anymore.